How to make money on Binance. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Binance. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is simply go to Binance.com and you will land on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading crypto platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptos, and you can also do trading, and we have other derivatives available, finance, and also an NFT marketplace. But do you know that you can also make money using Binance? There's an earn option and different options available for us to make money very easily. Let's jump into the video. Of course, first you will need an account on Binance. So if you do not have an account yet, you can go to Binance and click on register, and it will allow you to create a brand new account. You can sign up with your phone, Apple, or using Google. Once you do, after that, you will have to verify your email address and verify your phone number. So once they're verified, you will of course get the code, enter the code, and they will be verified. You will be good to go and you will be able to use Binance. So on Binance, we have a lot of different options. We have of course buy crypto, market, trades, derivatives, finance, and NFT. Then we also have the option of earn. In Earn, we get different features and different options to make money and how we can use Binance to earn money. So the first option is Binance Earn, which is a one-step investment. It's simple and secure method to make money on Binance. Now, let me show you how it works. So in Binance Earn, we have savings, staking, of course, farming, and dual investment. So here I have opened up the protected ones, and we can also search for popular coin here. You will click the coin's name, or you can just explore right here the list given. You can also go for best for beginners. So let's go with best for beginners because you're a complete beginner and you need to first learn. So the best for beginners have these coins available. Now keep in mind that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying coins and selling coins, it all involves a high degree of risk, and you will need to keep in mind that you need full information first, and this is not a financial video and I'm not suggesting you any kind of coin or what you should do. Make sure to get the right information first and that you truly understand crypto and you truly understand trading. That being said, let's move on with our tutorial. So we have coins here, then we have products. You will be able to check that what kind of product is it, if it's a saving, if it's staking, farming, or others. So we have flexible savings right here, and then we have APY here given in percentage, and then we have duration and then subscribe option. So if we check this one, we can just open it up, any of the coin we like, and we can also click on more information about it and we can check their history and what is their current percentage. Click on subscribe and you will be able to subscribe to this coin, and then you will be able to protect this coin and invest in it. Once you do, then you will be automatically making money with it. Let's go ahead and calculate your crypto earnings. For example, you invested 1000 USDT. Okay, let's go with 1000 USDT. And you're interested in flexible or fixed. Let's go with flexible. Now, this is the product offer. Flexible saving is going to be from 1% to 10% based on tire rate APY, of course. And then we have flexible DeFi staking. And this is your estimated earnings right here. So you will be earning plus $300. So if you have 1000 USDT in flexible investment, then you will be earning plus $300. So that will be like for auto transfer, and the duration is going to be 3 years. So that is how you make money. Like you're doing nothing, you're just invested, and then you will be making money automatically if you have 1000 USDT. It depends on your balance as well, on your Binance balance. So if you have 1000 USDT, then this is your calculated crypto earnings. This is what you will be making. Of course, you can go ahead and go to Binance and check whatever coin you want to, and you can just calculate your earnings, your estimated earnings. And it also depends on the current USDT price. Keep in mind at the time of making this video, that's what I'm showing you, and you can just go ahead and check it out yourself too. So this is our Binance Earn. And I hope you understood it. If you understand crypto and if you understand investment and trading, then it will be very easy for you. And if you had no idea about Binance Earn, then now you know. You can go ahead, and if you have balance in your Binance account, you can just go and subscribe for the coin and then make money with it. Second way to make money on Binance is going to be savings. So what is savings? Well, as you have savings in your regular account when you're dealing with money, similarly we have savings in crypto. So what happens is you simply deposit and you make money. What happens is, again, we have different savings. We have flexible, locked, activities, and auto invest. So auto invest is actually a new option available on Binance now. It helps you make money automatically. You don't need too much. You automate your lot of work and then you're just making money. So flexible saving, deposit and redeem on a flexible manner. Again, you will search for a coin, and then we have APY and trend. You will be able to check the tie rate in percentage and you can actually see how it's going. For example, BTC right now is 5%. Duration, all of them are flexible. If you want to do auto transfer, then you could just click on auto transfer option and it will change it to auto transfer. And again, we have the subscribe option. Similarly, we have locked savings. So in locked saving, we have annualized interest rate as well, because it's going to be locked, it's not flexible. So we're getting an annualized interest rate, which is 25% for AXS. Then we have SAND here, BUSD. BUSD is actually pretty good, 5% here. Then we also have duration. So it depends on 7 days or 15 days. You can choose either of these. And then we have interest per lot. You can subscribe and you can see, oh, BUSD is actually sold out right now. And keep in mind all the rates, all the different prices I'm showing you there at the time of making this video. They may vary when you're watching the video, so just keep in mind. And then of course we have activities. Now you can go with a locked or flexible saving and then subscribe, and you will be able to redeem in a flexible manner and make money. So it's like easiest way, deposit and earn. So that is how we'll make money with Binance savings, just like our savings account regularly. Then we have BNB Vault. So what happens is we can actually earn with BNB Vault. So this is like rewards that we earn. And this is again one click to earn multi benefits with BNB. So this is by Binance officially. What happens here is that you can go ahead and you can get reward for different things that you're doing on Binance, such as your flexible savings, your launch pool. So there are different competitive returns that you get. You can just simply get rewards for it. For example, today APY is 35%. And if I have a BNB in my savings, then I will be able to get a reward and I will actually earn BNB. So we can also go ahead and buy BNB, store BNB, use BNB, or burn BNB to make money. There are different partners to it. And what we can do is we can buy BNB with all of these different wallets available. And this way we will be earning rewards and we will be making money. So that's like another way to make money. And then we also have liquidity farming, which is add liquidity and then you earn double. Then there is Binance Pool. What happens in Binance Pool? Again, you will be earning rewards if you connect your Binance account to Binance Pool. So this is another way of making money. And then when it comes to earning, we have simple ways as well, such as staking and dual investment. You can commit your crypto holdings and enjoy high return. And then we're also getting auto investment, which is like a crypto autopilot that you can use. So dual investment is also another way a lot of people earn crypto and make money. So that what happens is that it is actually one of the very risky way out there, but it's worth it, I would say. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but what happens is you buy low or sell high. There is a wide selection, no trading fee, and high rewards. So what you need to do is monetize your market view and get access to potentially high reward. And you will be able to do dual investment. All the coins are available. You will be able to find BTC, then Ethereum, BNB, Sol, Matic, in simple words, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Polygon. All of these are available. You can go to show all and it will show you more. So you can find all of your favorite coins here. You will be able to check their current prices. These are the prices at the time of making this video. Bitcoin is actually just $19,000. Ethereum is 1,000 right now. So to get started, of course, you will need to sell high or buy low, enter a subscription amount, check winning scenarios, confirm, and subscribe. So this is how this is another way to make money on Binance. Again, this is just an overview video for you guys to show you what are the different options available on Binance. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you around and giving you a tutorial on the platform so that you can know what are the different options available on Binance to make money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to make money with Binance. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.